Hi, today I'm going to be doing my very first unboxing video. It's a birthday gift from my wife. It's going to be the Nikon D3500. This is the one that comes with two lenses, so it's a two lens kit. Originally, the one with the one lens is for $399 plus tax here in the US at the time of recording of this video. In this case, we get the 1855, that's the one that usually comes with the camera, plus the 7300, both VR lenses for $450 plus tax. And on top of that, we also got a Nikon Bag as a gift. The second lens that we got for the extra $50 usually by itself is priced $399. So I think we got a really good deal. We got it at Best Buy here in Austin, Texas. Okay, here we go. As I mentioned before, we're going to be unboxing the Nikon D3500. We got it last night at Best Buy. I think we got a good deal. We got the camera with the regular lens and an extra lens, and also we got the Nikon bag for about $450. We don't have the bag yet. They didn't have it at the store. We have to go pick it up in a couple of days. But we're really excited about it. I've never had a DSLR camera before, so this is going to be my first one. I've always had point and shoot cameras in the past, so I don't really know anything about lenses or cameras or anything like that, but I'm ready to learn. So let's start unpacking. Okay, one more thing I would like to mention is that when I said that we got a really good deal, the camera by itself with a regular lens is $399, and the second lens by itself is $399. So we got everything for $450, and also we got a free bag which is valued about $60. So that's why we say it's a good deal. So let's get working on it. We're gonna open the box and see what we get. Okay, so I guess we have instructions here. We're gonna read it later, or we're gonna read it if nothing else works. We got a warranty program, but we do, every time we buy something at Best Buy, we try to get the Geek Squad protection. So that way, if something happens, if we have an accident, you know, those guys are really good. So this is what we get. First thing we get the strap. So we get the strap for the camera, so we can hang it. Here we got the battery charger. Okay, let's see what we have over here. Here we have one battery that came with the camera. And okay, so this is the camera itself right here. It's a pretty good size. It's not too big, not too small. Pretty nice. And so this is the lens that comes with the camera. Have it right here. And get it out of the box. Right here. And then this is the extra one. This is the one that is, if you want to buy it by itself, it's worth $399 at Best Buy. So it's a good deal. For $50 extra, we get this and the bag. So it was a pretty good deal. We didn't want to miss it. So this is what we get. And I guess I'll make another video later to see how it works and maybe show you some pictures.